Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Offroad's bed rail RotopaX mount for Toyota's 2005 to newer Tacoma. Step 1. Open your vehicle's bed and begin removing its trail rail caps on the side you wish to install on. Insert the included T-nut into the rail and slide it to where you wish to install the mount. Step 2. Assemble your RotopaX mount to our mount according to its instructions while considering the clearance of its container. Step 3. Install our mount into the T-nut using the included bolt and washers with a 19mm socket. Install your container, and you're done.